Remix!
Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red button right down there. And go and click that notification button so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I'll have new and exciting things coming up. I know it's getting to this end of this year, so you want to be a part of what I have coming up. So yay! This video is a review video. So this company, Viter Energy, sent me these breath mints, and look at the containers here, which are, and this is Spearmint, and they also sent me the chocolate ones as well. And I said I wanted to use them for a while, so I've been trying these out for the last 2 weeks, kind of get a feel for them and to give you a great review, which I want to do, yes, they sent me these, but I'm going to give my opinion on these. Yes, so this is called Viter Energy, and I will link their information below so that you can look this up. This is the spearmint flavor. This is a dietary supplement. These boost your energy and refreshing your breath, which I use it as a mint. Now, the instructions here says a dose of energy and fresh breath. So you take 2 of the vitamins and then drink 1 cup of coffee. Okay, so I am not a heavy coffee drink. I can drink 1 cup in the morning and I'm good, a half a cup. So if you need a lot of energy, if you're that type of person, then you can try it. Yes, I take a mint and then try to do coffee, but I didn't notice it. I'm energized anyway, if you notice my video. So I don't know if that's much true, but they do freshen your breath, and I do love it for that reason too. So this is the spearmint, which is my favorite. They did send the chocolate. The chocolate is good as well, but I'm not more of a chocolate person. I like more of candy, like spearmint, peppermint. I'm more of that type of person. I like Starburst. I like candy versus chocolate. Now I can eat me some peanut M&Ms, but that's about the only chocolate. It has to be mixed with peanuts. So I'm not a chocolate lover. So this one, it says supplement facts. Let's talk about these. Serving 1 piece is 900 milligrams, containing 20. Let's see how much sugar and stuff in it. It is 0 calories, which is good. 1 gram, which is G. Vitamin B6. They have vitamin 12 in here. Caffeine, 40 grams. So it does have caffeine in it, which is okay for a breath mint. Yeah, so far as the review on these, I like the mint. It freshens my breath. Even the chocolate ones, it was good. It's not my favorite, but the spearmint I would prefer. Yeah, I would say try them out. I would recommend them. They were really good. They're sugar-free. They're, it's a mint. I like breath mints anyway. Keep them in your purse. And then as far as my occupation, I'm in HR, so everybody comes to me for breath mints and everything. So I pass on, hey, try one, and nobody said nothing bad, so it's pretty good. It's a breath mint. I like it. I would recommend it. And yay. So Viter Energy, thank you guys so much for sending it to me. I absolutely love them. Now, if it works as far as the energy dose, I wouldn't be the best person to tell that because I'm energized anyway. But it didn't make me sleepy, so hey, I guess it works. So I'll be using the rest of these. Why not? They're good for breath mints. And my coworkers, they love the chocolate ones, so I'll be sharing those, and I will be keeping these in my purse. I will link the information below. They're a good price. They're $4.99 for 20 come in a pack, which is pretty good. And you use 2. Don't exceed the dosage though, because it's a dietary supplement. So stay at 2 a day. I use 1 in half a cup of coffee, and I'm good to go. But I want to thank you guys for sending it. Viter Energy, you guys, thank you so much. I absolutely like them. They're good for freshening and brightening. They're $4.99, so check them out. Just a quick update. Make sure you're following me on my social media. Check the links below. I've opened my store so you guys can try out some of my products. Soaps is coming up, and yes, it's coming to be the holiday season, and everybody was asking me about the soap, pumpkin spice soaps. So they are available as of now. They've been selling off the shelves. I absolutely love them. And then I have I'm gonna do a tutorial and show you guys how I use my skincare and my black soap. So all of that stuff is coming up very soon. I just have to get these videos up and out. So yes, follow me on my social medias. Follow me on my main channel, which is T McLean 244, which I do a product of the week. I'm getting back and starting to post more. I've been kind of getting the business started and everything, so that's why I haven't been so focused. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Zeppy Hills, I kick in the door, waving the foe like I am Big Papa. Better.